guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Motor After here. It's been a long time since I uploaded any video, so you might recognize this CBR. This is my friend's CBR650F, which has been converted to 650R, and the body kits, all the panels and all were all imported from Thailand. And if you can see, these are carbon fiber panels, and mostly all of these are made of fiberglass. The 650R twin headlights, and these are the ZX10R mirrors. It's pretty cool, isn't it? So just have a proper look. It's fitted with quick shifter also, and domino quick throttle. And we are out with the conventional springs inside it, and have replaced with O-lens for better handling. And as usual, we have the clip-ons. These are the aftermarket ones, and the rear foot sets also. And yes, I forgot to mention one thing. You can see the brake lines has been changed from the rubber ones to the Kevlar ones, so for better braking and all. And trust me, this bike looks freaking awesome. And now we have a integrated tail light also from Motor Dynamics. So thank you guys for watching my video, and please do subscribe. And sorry I can't be so much frequent on my channel, but yes, I will try to upload more vlogs. And do let me know in the comments section that did you like the bike or not. Thank you. Bye bye.